This is the first time I've heard the air raid sirens going off in the Carpathian Mountains. However, we don't have a curfew. Also, what's interesting about the Carpathian Mountains is that where the hell is the shelter? Like, there is no metro. Um, in some of these places, they have a basement, but the thing about being in the mountains is that what we define as a shelter in cities like Kiev is vastly different from how people shelter here in the Carpathian Mountains. Namely, since ballistic missiles and drones hardly, if ever, come here, then people don't go to this shelter.